Hello, welcome to the course of IPv6. So today we are going to discuss about the routing in IPv6. So in this chapter we will discuss about the MDT, that is multicast distribution tree, and we will discuss about the type of MDT, and then we will discuss about the PMI. So these are the protocols in routing. So let's start with the first, that is what is MDT. So here the MDT is a multicast distribution tree, and here this multicast capable router make this multicast distribution tree in the network, and here this tree is used to find the best path for multicast traffic from the source to the various listener or the receivers. So here the route at the source of the traffic is called shortest path tree, and the process of finding the upstream neighbor is called the reverse path forwarding, that is RPF. So here as the listener join and leaves the group, same way here the branches to the trees are added as well as deleted. So here like if the listener is joining the group or a multicast group, then here in MDT the branches are added to the tree, whereas as the listener are leaving this multicast group, then the branches will be deleted from this MDT tree. So here the unicast routing is concerned about the packet is going, whereas the multicast routing is concerned about from where the packet is coming. Next is here there are two type of multicast distribution tree. The first one is source tree and the second one is the shared tree. So here both the source tree as well as shared tree will are the loop free trees, and here the message are replicated or the loops are created whenever it reaches the tree branches. So let's discuss about this source tree and shared tree one by one. So first of all, what is source tree? So here the source trees are the simplest form of multicast distribution tree. So these it will have a roots as well as the branches, and its root act as a source and branches will form a spanning tree, and these branches will provide network to the various receiver or the listeners in a multicast group. So this tree will use the shortest path through the network, and it is also referred to as a shortest path tree. Next is shared tree. So here as the source tree have their roots at the source, but here the shared tree will use a single common root, that is it can be placed at any of the chosen point in the network, and it will act as a source to the it will act as a root to the tree. So this shared root is called as a rendezvous point in the IPv6. So this is about the source tree as well as the shared tree. So there is a difference between the source tree and the shared tree. So here the advantages of source tree is that it will create a optimal path between the source and the receiver. So this will result in minimum amount of network delay for forwarding the multicast traffic in the network. So as this is the advantage of source tree, it will be the disadvantage of shared tree. So here in shared tree, the path between the source and various receiver is not optimal under some of the conditions, and it will result into introducing a some of the delay in the packet delivery. The source tree disadvantage is that it will require a large memory consumption. So it will require large memory consumption due to the size of multicast routing table. As this is the disadvantage of source tree, it will be advantage of shared tree. So here it will require low memory requirement due to the minimum amount of state in each router. So these are the difference between source tree and shared tree. Next we will discuss about the PIM, that is protocol independent multicast. So here it is a process of building multicast distribution tree, and here the topology information is maintained in the tree information base, that is TIB. So here the type of multicast routing protocol are PIM-SM, that is pair mode, PIM-SSM, that is source specific multicast, and PIM-BIDR, that is the bidirectional. So here let's discuss about the first, that is protocol independent multicast pair mode. So here it is used when multiple source devices transmit to a same multicast group. So here what happened is multiple source device, there are the multiple source devices in the network, and they will transmit a same data to a same multicast group, and here is the example of this is like video conferencing. So here the next is PIM SSM, that is the protocol independent multicast source specific multicast. So here it is a subset of PIMSM and it is used when single source will transmit a data to a multiple group. So here we are using a single source and it will transmit a data to a multiple group. And here the example is like the content delivery such as the video and the audios. And the last one is PIM bidirectional. So this is used when all member of the groups can be act as a source as well as a receiver or a listener. So here the devices that are present in a multicast group, they will act as a source and they can also act as a listener in the network. So this is all about routing in IPv6. Thank you.